Okay, what is up, everybody? And we are here playing Injustice 2 Story Mode. We're continuing right where we left off.
Stealing this one from you. You can't with broken claws.
Okay, looks like she got this.
So much for 9 lives.
And there goes Green Arrow.
That was graceful, Ollie.
Why, hello, Bane. You muscular beast. Oh, there he goes, pumping up.
One needs to distract him while the other snips his tubes.
Ouch.
His venom tubes, Ollie.
You stop thinking sexual thoughts.
Batman sending his underlings. I will enjoy returning you to him in body bags.
It's only if you can do that. It's a little Green Arrow.
Your spine will break like this.
Now
Well, okay then.
that was my favorite arrow.
One, two, three. In the corner.
That's embarrassing.
You're asking to get grabbed, Bane. Come on.
Selfie?
You didn't fall for that. And okay then.
You will receive no mercy.
I am Mercy though. Here we go. Super move time. 1 arrow. 2 arrow. And you just got booted. Nice, nice.
Birdie, now!
Ooh. Come on, Black Canary. Oh, right in the face.
Now where's that damn dirty ape?
I come to you as darkness falls.
Dr. Fate?
Dinah Lance, Oliver Queen. In the past, I have shielded you from danger, but a grave crisis looms. and I do not know if I can stop it.
You mean Grodd and company? We've got that covered.
Grodd is the pawn of a much greater master. A new order is coming. I have foreseen it. Leave with me now, while I can still save you.
If that's the case, we're staying here. Batman will need our help.
Everyone and everything you know will die. I will shepherd you to safety, lest you suffer the same fate. By force, if necessary.
The good doctor's been wearing that helm for too long.
Then let's help him out of it.
Let's go Green Arrow again.
Oliver Queen, you must flee this earth before the threat of your fate unravels.
Would love to do that. But I only take orders from her.
Ooh, nice fire. Nice factory from me.
That for a Star City welcome.
I love Green Arrow's quiver. It looks great. Well, this is my fate. Oh, okay. Nice, nice. I have to say, I'm really liking Green Arrow, especially his meter burn hurricane bow. Oh, it's just a lot better now. Let's go super. One arrow. And we're up. And we're back down. Booted. I'm just gonna spam the arrow. Okay, enough talk. Oh, man. Whoa. Oh, heck no. Eat my boxing glove.
This day just keeps getting weirder.
Oof.
Kent, you okay?
Your headgear really had you going.
I lost control of Naboo, the spirit of the helm. Thanks to you, I'm back in charge. For now. I have to go consult my masters, the Lords of Order. Pray they'll intervene before it's too late.
Too late for what, Kent? What's going down?
The Lord's magic bars me from saying more. I have changed fate too many times. This planet's destiny is no longer clear. What comes next, mere mortals cannot stop. For better or worse, your fate rests in the gods' hands.
Well, screw fate.
That was spooky.
Yeah. Come on, let's find Grodd and get the hell out of here.
Oh, there's Grodd. There's Caesar, and there's Caesar's pets.
You've overstayed your welcome.
We're happy to check out, but you're coming with us.
So, George, get out of here.
Fighting a talking ape wasn't enough. Had to throw in telekinesis.
This is Black Canary
This
now.
wannabe tyrant is mine.
Yeah.
Your bravado is empty, Canary. Like the rest of your kind, you will soon kneel before me.
Kneel before Grodd? That doesn't sound right.
You shall not grab the woman. Yeah. Canary is so hot. Oh my god. Block, yeah. We got him. You dirty, filthy ape. Canary punch. Nice. That was tight.
Beauty beats beast.
Got that right, girl.
That right there, that's why I love you.
True love. We defeated your King Caesar. Now back off. Yeah, run, you little apes. Run.
Surprised that worked. Let's call it a day and get Harley out of here.
It's never good when you slap the cuffs on and then they start chuckling.
Humans,
Agreed.
you've won this battle, but you've already lost the war.
Holy bleed. Oh great, now we're taking. God, you suck. Your society will fall, I guarantee it. Let's do this, people.
Ollie.
I got nothing.
Your victory over Gorilla Grodd warrants further study.
It's the mummy! He awakens.
Green skin. Smart money's on alien.
Martian? Like John Johns?
My point of origin was 1,000 light years removed from Mars on the planet Kolu. I am Brainiac.
You're full of brains. Green, yeah. Whoa, okay.
Stop, please!
Cause and effect. Resistance begets violence.
Then we won't resist. Please, just stop! You're the grave crisis we were warned about. What do you want?
I seek the one you call Superman. For years, I believed I had destroyed Krypton and all its remnants. Superman's survival is an oversight I must correct.
Superman's no friend of ours.
I am aware. But your planet has also piqued my interest. Its many contradictions are fascinating.
We'll never serve you.
Serve? I am no petty despot. I collect worlds, preserving their essential knowledge to enhance my intellect. And then I discard the remnants.
Oh, that's not
Why?
Your species values precious metals, arbitrary symbols of status. I value knowledge. And like your metal trinkets, knowledge is more valuable when it is rare.
That face though. The Martians are invading. The Martians are invading. That's just messing up for the head.
Brother Eye, give me an update on the team at Gorilla City.
I cannot do that, Bruce Wayne of Earth,
Why not?
because I am not
It's really messed up.
I am Brainiac.
Yes, you are.
You cannot regain control. Over the past days, Brother Eye has been absorbed into my neural network. It is now an extension of my mind. You, a fragile human, captured and imprisoned a fully developed male Kryptonian.
Maybe I'm not so fragile.
To prevail, you harnessed advanced sciences, nanotechnology, satellite communications, interdimensional transit. I am taking these tools from you.
Why?
The Kryptonian belongs to me, and soon, so will your planet.
Yeah, got suit up. I am Batman. Let's go. Batman. Story's pretty good so far. Really. There goes Wonder Woman and Black Adam. Yeah. And the skull ship.
Great Hera. Where else besides Metropolis?
Gotham, Beijing, Moscow. So many cities. All at once.
It's him. Who, Kara? Who is it?
So that was chapter 3. I think there's more.
We need to get Cal. Now!
You're wearing the suit. Am I in trouble again?
Brainiac, what can you tell me?
How do you know that name?
You're afraid of him. He's invading. He says you belong to him.
Brainiac killed my parents. He blew up Krypton.
You never mentioned that before. How do I beat him?
You can't. Not without me.
I'll find a way.
This is my fight, Bruce! You need me! Bruce! Bruce! Bruce!
So serious. Why so serious, Superman? Why so serious? Okay. So this is chapter 4. We just finished chapter 3. And you know what? Screw Fate. Like, seriously, screw him. Anyway, welcome back to it. Thank you for another Injustice 2 walkthrough of the story. And so far, it's really good. I'm really enjoying it. And I definitely really like playing Black Canary. She was a lot of fun. Like, seriously, she was a lot of fun. So, tune back. We're going to do chapter 4 next. Oh, and follow us in our Instagram and Twitter at Next Gen Geek and our Twitch, Next Gen Geek. And so, yeah, if you like this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. See you guys later.